Good morning, everybody. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks with the greatest crew in the world here in our trading room. So thank you very much, everybody, for being here. Today is March 13th, 2024. It is a Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. And the market continues in this wall of worry, bullish trend. Fred has our next high pickup here of 521. And our conscience has a stock pickup here at 529. So let's root for them. Let's root for Fred first. We have to get through Fred to get up here. Anyway, we're on this wall of worry here. The SPY seems to be looking pretty good. The Qs, they're doing okay. The diamonds, they're doing okay. IWM, they're doing okay. And when I say they're doing okay, what I'm looking at is this right here. Let me get my pencil out. There we go. I'm simply looking at the trend of the trendicator. I'm looking at the trend of the T-line. And I'm looking at price action, even some down here. And that's all I'm looking at. One other thing I'm looking at too is there any ugly bearish candle up here? Or combination of candles? I'm looking at that. And I just don't see any. So the bulls still have control. I do think we're in a wall of worry just because we're getting so high and everybody is so nervous. And about 50% of the traders can't believe we're just going higher and higher and higher because, well, a lot of reasons. Don't want to get into those now. So let's look at some trades. I put out a video this morning that I hope you received. If you didn't receive it on your email, you can find it on the YouTube channel. I put out RIG. Let's go look at RIG real quick. And here is RIG. We've gone from a nice downtrend based on the trendicator, the red dots. We have switched to green. That is a fantastic reversal. Don't worry about the candlestick so much or price action. Just looking at that red to green is an amazing visual reversal. Okay. So once we get that reversal, we're going to look for price action, chart patterns, things like that. And one thing I like to see is a trade from here to the 50 period moving average. Now, when we get to the 50 period moving average, if you've been trading any length of time whatsoever, you know that you're likely to get a little bit of consolidation. Doesn't matter whether you're coming from the bottom up or from the top down, just doesn't matter. You're going to get some consolidation. So we're getting that consolidation right now, and it's starting to look pretty good. You can see this what is it, magenta color? That's pre-market, so it shows the pre-market is still interested in it. Now, the T-line is not above the 50 period moving average, and the trendicator is not above the 50 period moving average. So we really can't call this a rounded bottom breakout. But the first part of the rounded bottom breakout is in, and that's with price over that 50. Now, something that's likely to happen, I think, is let's first assume that the bulls really take hold, okay? So the bulls lift us up. I think it's very likely we see a pullback and then another opportunity. Usually, not every time, you get the first cut through that 50, it will have to come back and test. So keep that in mind. This could be a fantastic trade. Don't let the trade go away from you. Let it pull back and then redo it again. So RIG is looking really good. We had people in the room kind of ask for charts that were a little less pricey. And here we are at a $5.50 chart. So thank you for your input on that. Another one that I almost did the video on this morning, and I probably will yet today, is BB. Now, I don't know how many people here forget about BlackBerry. You know, BlackBerry once upon a time was the bomb. I mean, it was the thing, right? And then there are times I see BB show up and are they still in business? Well, evidently they are. Nice chart, nice rounded bottom right in here. Good support came in here, good testing of the lows. And here we've popped up over that 50-period moving average again. This is another one that I think is setting up nice. Target-wise, we could probably look at a target of filling this gap in here somewhere. So I'm just going to throw a line right in here at about $3.50. The current price on it is $3.08-ish. So another one of those, a nice stock trade under $5 on that one. Macy's, I still like Macy's. Macy's is still acting pretty good. We've got this big pop to the upside, and now we're just consolidating. We're waiting. Now, what are we waiting on? Well, let's draw this box around here like this, okay? So inside this box, I'm actually going to draw this up a little higher. There we go. Inside this box, I'm waiting for some price action that makes me feel like the bulls are ready to take it out of the top. Now, there's an awful lot of traders that's just going to wait till it breaks out. And there is not one thing wrong with that. In fact, that's what I might end up doing myself if I can't be comfortable about buying something in here. Now, these two candles right here have given us kind of a Fig Newton chart pattern. I would like that one to have been a little bit bigger, but that's kind of a Fig Newton chart pattern. So I'll be watching this. And again, when the action starts, we'll post on the members app to all the members. So make sure you keep that thing turned on, okay? The next one is, we've got to revisit PFE. I know a lot of people bought PFE yesterday. I picked some PFE up yesterday. This is looking fantastic right through here. This is another one that popped over the 50-period moving average. Price has not confirmed, or I'm sorry, the T-line or the Trendicator has not confirmed over the 50-period moving average yet. But right now, I think it will. And this is going to be another one that, it pops up. Just watch for that pullback, because this will be the first time it gets through that 50-period moving average. So first time, watch for that pullback. This could be a good profit area if that's where it goes. And then we can look to rebuy down here, unless you just want to hold it long term and let it work. But right now, I think PFE is rocking. COP, somebody looking into some energy. COP seems to be trying to get itself up there. It looks like it's broken out here. Let's go look at that weekly. Yeah, it looks a little better. Cleaner. Not necessarily better, it's cleaner. You can see these highs right through here. We'll go to that one, the highest high. It looks like it broke out here. The weekly, you can call it a Fig Newton chart pattern, or you could call it a doji continuation pattern. Both are bullish. Both are excellent. We're coming from a bullish engulf, a nice little run to the downside, pick up some more buyers, and now we're pushing up here. So ConocoPhillips has a lot of good potential, maybe to reach this top right up here, and then we can reevaluate. Probably better put one of those lines about right there too. What is the next one here? So we talked about LAC yesterday. That is still in great shape. This is officially a rounded bottom breakout, folks. 50-period moving average, T-line, Trendicator, 200. Rocking, man. GLW, I think still looks fantastic. Having a little trouble getting its legs underneath it right in here, but that doesn't change that it's a nice chart. Still waiting for that to give me the hint. I use the scanner to give me those hints. When I see those hints popping up, I'll take a look at the chart. If I like the chart, I'll talk about the chart. I'll buy the chart perhaps. And then, of course, we post any action there to the members. All right. Let's see here. We'll do, what's this SQM? I forgot about that one. Yeah, SQM here. Nice J-hook setting up an SQM. So let's watch for that breakout here. We get that breakout. That might be a nice buy there on SQM. Anyway, let's call that a morning here. I'll see everybody at the bottom of the hour when the market opens up. Let's have a little fun today. And let's not forget that LTA, Live Trading Alerts webinar in the Live Trading Alerts room will be today at 2 p.m. Eastern, okay? If you're interested in all about learning about scanning or what goes into scanning, that's the place to be. We'll see everybody. Take care. See you in 30.